Dear YouTube, today I decided to change my 96 Mercedes E320 AC compressor. It's been making a lot of noises, and I actually had to replace by a mechanic 2 years ago because I didn't have enough time to do it myself. And it seems like he probably did not put in adequate PAG oil in my compressor, so I took it out a month ago, re-oiled it, still was making noises, so I just ordered a remanufacturer one. I'm going to put it in by myself. It's around 7 o'clock here in Maryland. I came back from work not too long ago. I have jacked up my car on these jack stands I got from Harbor Freight a few years ago, and you know, they jack up the car pretty well. And so the first step is the AC compressor. So this is the water pump area right here. This is the power steering fluid reservoir, and down there underneath is the AC compressor. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out off my way. There's a bolt right here. Okay, and then you just push it out and put it on the side. It gives you more room to work on the car. And well, obviously you have to get the Freon gas evacuated by a professional mechanic, so you don't release in the environment and damage the ozone layer. So, you know, after you do that, then you know, you go ahead and start working on the compressor removal. Over there is the expansion valve that I've already replaced a month ago. It was a lot of work because I had to remove everything, but the AC compressor I've done before, so hopefully should be simple. I'll guide you guys through a quick video, and I also want to thank each and everyone that have helped me on YouTube and online to working on cars. And please keep that up. It really helps. You know, people who enjoy working on cars at home and don't have a lot of money to spend, give it to mechanics who don't do a proper job. So thank you once again, and let's begin. Alright, so this is out of here. You just need to remove the connector, and here's the connector. If you can see, let me grab a flashlight. Okay, there you go, that's a better flashlight. So that connector right there, this one, coming out of the AC compressor. And this is the wire that comes out. So just like put it right here so I don't lose it. Alright, this gives you just more room to work on it. Okay. So what you need to do is put this aside. This is a screw right here that you can open up. It's Allen key number 6. Alright, sorry guys. So this is my first video. So anyway, you'll remove I use these keys to remove this one. And there's one underneath. You have to, right there. You have to actually fit the hex key socket. Remove it with that from underneath the car. So this is the high side pipe, and that's the low side pipe. So that's out. Now what we're going to do is basically you have to go underneath the car. And so that's one bolt right there, 13 mm. The other one right there. And there's one in the back. Right there. Okay. And you remove all three, the compressor will come out. Okay, very simple. And to go back, it's just reverse of this. Put these three first. And here are the pipes that are coming out. If you can see, there's some oil on them. But okay, that's about it. Okay guys, so this is the compressor I just removed. This is the high side pipe connection, low side, and this is the remanufactured one. I'm gonna oil it up. I just got this container, PAG oil, PAG 46, and you know, we'll see. It looks about the same, and you know, we'll see how this works out. Okay. All right. So this is it. Basically, the reverser process is the same. You know, this is where the connector bolts go for here, and one more here. Okay. And then, you know, just charge your system. I think it's about 2.2 pounds, I believe. So that's about, you know, 16 ounces, 1 pound. So you do the math. I did about 3 cans. And it was cooling fine. The compressor was cooling fine. It was just noisy. And I took the clutch out, everything, looked at it, put it back in, still was making noises. So I thought maybe I'd just order one. It was pretty cheap. It was like 120 bucks. Alright, this is it. Okay, this is my first video, so I apologize for any errors I made. Please comment and let me know if I can make any more changes. I'll continue to work on this car, and we'll post videos for you guys. And thanks again for watching. Thanks again for helping me personally on YouTube. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.